Hi everyone, welcome to Portugal. My first time in Portugal, never been before. So excited right now. Firstly, turn the camera around and show look who's in the car with me. What a great driving partner, right?
Also never been to Portugal before.
And the nicest guy, apart from me, the nicest guy on the internet. This car's going to be so pleasant.
Oh.
I'm here with...
Stuck in traffic?
Yeah, stuck in traffic already. We've literally just arrived in Portugal. So, you might know about, if you've been watching me for a while, two things that I love. One is cars, and in fact, hang on, I'll move that from under my feet. I work with Jaguar quite a lot. The last couple of years, you'll know about me. Jaguar have been my car brand. I've been working with them loads. I love them to bits. The team are lovely. They do the most amazing cars. The other thing I'm really passionate about them is the environment. So at the beginning of the year, my New Year's resolution was to make a real conscious effort to lower my carbon footprint. And I've been really successful. I've been using less plastic. I have made sure that all of the energy going to my house is now green energy, so it's all recycled from renewable sources, and just doing little things. Of course, driving cars and looking after the environment don't go hand in hand. So allow me to introduce you to the new Jaguar I-Pace, which is their electric vehicle, and it's so cool. It's the first time I've been in it. So I've been working on this car for a while, doing kind of bits and bobs and various activations, but the nearest I've got to sitting inside it is the boot, because I did like, when they kind of announced the car to the world, I did a live stream for them, and it was so busy around the car I couldn't actually get inside it, so I got in the boot instead. It is so freaking cool, and throughout the trip I'm going to sort of tell you things about it. I'm going to nerd out because I'm a bit of a nerd, so just brace yourselves. But I will be sharing things with you throughout. For now, just accept the fact that we're going to have the best weekend in the world, and let's go. I'm about to swear, everyone, so hold your ears, but holy shit, this is good. So it's got like 50-50 weight distribution, because like all the batteries. So basically what they did, they designed this car from the ground up, because typically you've got a big engine to sit in the front or the back, wherever your engine goes, and it kind of messes with the weight. But with this, because they've got all the battery sort of in between the two wheels, and there's two motors, one at the front, one at the back, it's like the weight distribution is 50-50, which makes it amazing to drive. Everyone, go and watch Tom's video, it's already much better than mine. So far, on his video, he's pressed cancel on the sat-nav, so we were going on the...
I like how you're throwing me straight under the bus.
We're going on the motorway, right, cruising along, and there's like a setting in the car so you can adjust the sound, because it's an electric engine, it doesn't make much sound, so you can like amp it right up or take it right down, so you're basically driving in silent. We're trying to fiddle with it, and Tom pressed the wrong button and cancelled the sat nav.
Luckily, it was an accident.
It was. Luckily we have like an emergency phone up here which is connected to the Jaguar people, so we called them, and as it happens, we happened to see a bunch of the other I-Paces there ahead of us, we followed them, and then we just saw a wild dog just hanging out.
Just chilling.
In the middle.
It wouldn't have heard us coming though, because this car makes no noise.
Yeah, I know, it was just hanging watching, and it must have been thinking, why are there so many red cars going?
It's like, I swear I just saw that go past.
Yeah, I know. Bless him. But yeah, we stopped and said hi.
I'm so scared, because it's so responsive, this engine.
It's good,
if
isn't
I
it?
even try to watch, if I try and creep.
It doesn't creep,
Okay.
this is the thing, it doesn't creep unless you put your foot down.
That's what I'm worried about,
Yeah.
is in I'm going to put it down and go bang straight
Right.
off his ass.
It's really responsive.
okay.
It's weird being a passenger too. Oh, hang on, we've got something going
Hello.
on here.
How are you?
Hi.
I'm very well, thank you.
Good.
We actually made it.
You made it.
Just about.
This is the start of the technical section.
Okay,
Okay?
yeah.
Watch out for people, animals, pedestrians.
What kind of speed do you recommend?
Whatever's careful
Can it handle?
for you.
Can this handle the gravel well?
It drives very well on the gravel.
So
you
it's
don't need
not-
to do anything with the setup of the car.
Okay, yeah. So it's not going to like marble roll out.
Nope.
What I was about to say is it's weird being a passenger because it's so responsive, you just suddenly go, and as a driver I know when I'm going to put my foot down, so I kind of brace myself, but as a passenger I've got no idea what he's doing with his feet, so when he's like now, when he suddenly goes, you're woof, because it is rapid. We've got another dog.
That one's definitely got an owner.
Look at that one. Hey big guy.
You look like a good dog.
How you doing? And then we're going down here and going off-road. I can't really see, but I think down there's like water and stuff.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Oh Christ, look at the gradient of that hill there, dude.
Are we going up that?
Looks like it. That guy's ready, getting
If
ready.
you get to film him going up that, such a sick shot.
Oh look, there he goes.
Oh, what?
That is, I don't know if my camera's doing it justice, that is steep. I reckon that's got to be 30 degrees, maybe more.
That
40 degrees maybe?
That is seriously steep.
That's no joke.
Okay, so apparently I've got it in like cruise control now, so it's automatically going to go at that set speed that I said it has.
on earth?
Oh my god. Oh
What?
my god, dude! I can't see the front.
Yeah, you don't need to though.
Look at the side, Jim.
It's just going. Oh yeah, that's a drop. That's a drop. We've swapped. I'm going off-road, everyone. But now on this car, we've got this what did they call it? They called it like there's a special name for it, but basically it sets the car so it's going to stick to a certain speed, and you can control it with the brake and the accelerator, but it won't go any faster or slower. So going downhill, for example, they want you to go real slow here, and I'm not doing anything, and it's just cruising. Like I haven't got my foot.
Yeah, it's like cruise control, but for hills.
Yeah,
so it
it's
won't
great.
roll backwards, and it's got like an anti-brake system in it. So when you start rolling backwards, it just catches you.
We just went up a massive hill.
Oh my God,
We tend to do
ridiculous.
that side.
Oh, how steep is this going to be? Oh no, I will say that.
I think that past the brow of this hill, it looks like it might be quite gnarly.
Oh yeah. Tasteful.
Tastefully gnarly.
Gotta get the shot.
Look at this, what a view!
That is pretty incredible. Wow.
We've got a caution sign here, so what is it? What's happening? Well, what's happening is if you go off this
Whoa!
side, you die.
Dude, I just looked forward and nearly crapped myself. No joke. Oh my God, that terrified me.
That's the caution.
Flipping heck. I should have been paying attention to that. Oh my Lord.
It's the thing when you
Dude, that
launch.
is so steep. Are you even serious?
We've got this, dude. So we've turned up at a racetrack, which is really exciting. I can't go out there though because it's so windy. As soon as I do, all you can't hear me, just hear wind noise. But we've got a bunch of I-Paces there, and actually a bunch of F-types behind us this way too. And then, of course, the I-Type, which is the Formula E car. It's the I-Type 2, so second generation. And we are doing 3 laps. So 1 lap. We've got a driver with us, so we're driving, we've got a professional driver in the passenger seat. We've got 1 slow lap just to kind of get used to it, and then 1 fast lap just to kind of really get used to it, and then 1 really fast lap. And I'm guessing, seeing as it's a Jaguar thing, there will be times, and in fact I can see a board up here, so I'm pretty sure we'll be judged on our performance. Last time I did a Jaguar trip, you might remember if you watched it, we had the E-Pace, and we were going in between cones, and I went like first. So I went really slow, thinking that everyone else would, but actually people were just balling through the cones, because every time you hit a cone, you'd get time knocked off. So I had no penalties, but it was just slow. So this time I'm going to go ham, basically. The simulator of the track we're about to go on. Maybe I should have a crack at that before I get on the actual road. It's tour time. While I'm waiting for my go on the track, I'm going to show you this blue number here. Do you know what's really cool? The storage. There's what is affectionately known as a fruit, which is a front boot, or if you're American, a frunk, I suppose. Because, like I say, there's no actual combustion engine. It's all kind of along the bottom of the car. So you've got room. So at the front here, you've got space for something not too big. Maybe your wires, your charging stuff. But at the back, there's like a colossal boot space. I've been in the back of this boot before with it closed, and there's plenty of room. Now let me close it here. No worries. Now, let me show you with everything down. Oh, by the way, this is like the charging plug socket kind of area. I don't know what you call it. The plug socket? Charger? Charging hole? I'm not sure. But I want to kind of give you a full look. Ooh, that's louder than I expected. So, what I really like about it is it's kind of got like sort of quite a blunt front end, which you don't see on many conventional cars, particularly not Jaguars, because the engine usually sits there, but this is actually really aerodynamic. So the way it works, the air goes 3 ways. Part of the air goes through the bottom grille and over the batteries, which kind of run along the bottom of the car and keep it cool. Part of the air goes through this gap here at the top of this grille, kind of through this hole, and is then sucked along the car to keep the car to the ground, but over the top, through this gap and then down there, which is why there's no rear windscreen wiper, because the air from you driving keeps it clean, and the rest of the air kind of just goes over the car, making it sort of really aerodynamic. Isn't it really sexy? I like it in this blue. I think I really like the red though. There's the red. I love the red because I really like that sort of, I think the black detailing really stands out. Bit shit this trip, isn't it?
I'm going to say this right now. This is hands down the worst trip I've ever been on. No, I do not want to lie down in the sun for a few hours.
I don't.
Why would you accuse me of such a thing?
How dare you get me on a boat after driving around a car?
Yeah, Jackie, how could you?
Outrageous. Look at this though.
We actually get to sunbathe on this, by the way.
Is that what that's for? Will you be the first to step on it? Because I don't know.
I ain't stepping on it, but I'll lie naked on it.
Please do, because I don't know if that's
Please
what
do.
that's for.
Please do.
Please do.
Jimothy.
Please do.
No, I like the sound of that.
bad at all. Check this out. We have the bed and then a little outside area with a hammock, which I actually just got in. And if you ever come here, I would advise you not to get in the hammock if you have a jacket that has buttons on like this, because the hammock's made of netting and the buttons will get caught and you won't be able to get out for about 10 minutes. But otherwise, great. And there's a view here. I haven't looked out of it. Let me go under the hammock because I'm going to get my legs caught. Isn't it pretty? This is so windy here, I think, because we're like the most eastern point of wherever we are. Basically, we're on a little part of the world that sticks out in the sea, so there's no windbreak, basically. Super windy. Back under. And then we have in here, the bed's here, and then very conveniently, the shower is just there, which is handy. Dressing gown and towels, mirror, very windswept, I have to say. And then through here we have the bathroom, and then here we have another mirror, which I wasn't expecting actually. I thought there was someone else here for a second, and my luggage. Excellent news. I think actually I'm not going to film anymore today because now, I have to be honest, I'm about 2 pints of beer, a glass of wine. I don't like wine, but I had it because there was a wine tasting thing, and then a very big gin down. So I'm going to stop filming for now because I won't be held responsible for what I'm about to say otherwise, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. So today starts slightly sluggishly with water sports, and there's many less of us than were intending to do water sports, let's put it that way. So we all kind of write our names down. There's 3 activities. You can either do yoga, you could do water sports, or you could do a long drive again. And seeing as I'm going to be in one of these cars long term, in a few weeks or so, I thought I don't need more driving experience right now. We're driving to the airport later, so I want to do water sports. Anyway, I'm going kayaking. So, are you about to get pushed off the back of the boat? Jesus. At least he didn't panic, that's the main thing, right? So, I've been kayaking and I've been paddleboarding. I've had breakfast. Everyone else has left, but I'm still here because Tom hasn't arisen yet. I just knocked on his door and woke him up, and he had a heavy night last night, I think, so I'm pretty sure I'll be designated driver. But we were supposed to leave about 20 minutes ago, and I thought, do you know what? He was supposed to do the whole paddleboarding and kayaking thing as well. I thought I better go knock on him because he's 10 minutes late now. I just woke him up, so we're running a little bit behind schedule. The rest of the Jaguar team have all gone, apart from some of the people who are still kind of knocking around here. But the rest of like the people on the trip have all driven off already. So just wait for Tom. Here he is. Walk of shame. I've done the boat, dude. Walk of shame. Actually, what we're doing now is going to lunch because it's the middle of the day. It's just waking up. Well, I knocked on your door. You were like out. I knocked on his door and I heard some rustling and I thought, oh, he's asleep, isn't he? And I heard a hello.
Nobody else thought to try and wake me up.
I've got you, bro. I've got you.
Could have woke me up when you weren't on the boat, though. Thanks for waking me up now, mate.
We're so late. We've got white ones today. And I have to say, I am into the white in a big way. I love the red, because I like how the red sort of, and the red and the black trim kind of stand out, but I actually think I like the white more. And look at the black wheels on this. Nice. Also got a different interior on this one. We've got kind of creamy white interior with the new seats, which are super lightweight and super comfy. Well, this place is off the chain. Look, oh my god, I haven't looked out there yet. Holy cow. Right, let's go out there. Come with me as we head up. What on earth? How cool is this place? Look at this! An orgasm. I'm really enjoying just watching Tom today. I've literally just been watching him kind of be a human, and it's been really hilarious. Anyway, it's time to drive home now. Well, not home, back to the airport, and then we're flying home. So I guess I may as well end this video here because there's not much else to see. But thank you very much to Jaguar for having me. What a cool experience. Thanks to my driving partner.
Uber for Tom.
Yeah, Uber for Tom.
Uber E.
Thanks to my driving partner for being a legend. And, you know, we've had a really good time. That's all I have to say. I'm really excited. So I'm going to be driving one of these. Have I mentioned that yet? I'm going to be driving one of these kind of long term in a few weeks' time, and I'm really excited because they are absolutely incredible. Just so clever and so much fun to drive. And it's going to be my day to day. So I'm incredible.
You're incredible.
Than's, mate.
Jim's the nicest guy.
So are you.
Honest to God.
We're going to hang out
with him.
because we don't really see each other. I've bumped into you like once or twice before at events, but we don't really hang out. So
This has brought us closer together.
very close. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, all that stuff, and I will see you later. Bye.